Hey Tina, this is Jason from Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thank you for taking my call earlier this week. Thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, we're going to briefly show you 3 easy ways to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's very simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And what's mostly holding them back from hiring a market agency is that they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these attack plans, giving them away for free, some business owners will take this information and do it for themselves, and some will call me back and ask for help. So if you want some help with this, give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, please do. I'll try to help as many business owners as I can. So what we're going to talk about today is content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, we're going to look at your website here. It's a great looking website. It's laid out very simply. It's clean, easy on the eyes. You have multiple ways for people to get a hold of you. Phone number links to a phone. You got your address there. It's great. What we're lacking here, though, is lacking an amount of content. Okay, so unfortunately, Google does not rank your site based on what it looks like. They base it off of content, amount and quality of content. So the average front page of Google has 1,890 words on it. You guys are sitting around a little over 400 here. So you're going to want to up that up. If you get anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, it's gonna help rank you up there. And what it does for you is it makes you look like you're the authority that can answer all the questions of anybody who's looking for roofing in Virginia Beach. Plus, it allows you to incorporate more of the keywords that customers are looking for. So if you look at who's ranking higher than you on organic search, commercial roofing from Baker Roofing here, they don't have any more content than you have. Okay, so what that tells me is they're utilizing the content they do have with better keywords. So if we increase your content and incorporate more keywords, you should easily be able to climb up above them on the organic searches. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to seem trustworthy, and Google judges you based on how many other sites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant industry-specific sites to link to you. So you're going to get a lot more power from another roofing company to link to you rather than Pizza Hut because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So I use this tool over here called Ahrefs, and it gives me lots of valuable information on what's going on the backside of websites. Okay, so you guys aren't doing bad at all. You've got 102 referring domains, ranking you for 128 organic keywords, bringing in 79 organic traffic monthly, which is worth $1,100 to you. Okay, what's concerning here is this low DR, particularly in comparison to your UR. And what that says to me is that out of these referring domains, a lot of them aren't powerful enough for you. They're not doing work for you. Okay. So real quick, we can look at the keywords that you're hitting for. All right. And so roofing Virginia Beach, that's a powerful keyword. It's got some decent volume there, and you're sitting in the third position for that. Okay. Roofing Virginia Beach, VA. Again, powerful keyword, 80 volume. You're sitting in fifth position for that. Okay. So what we're going to do is get you in first position for these regional and city specific type words because that's what people are searching for when they're looking to do business. Okay. And again, we can go over here, look at Baker Roofing, look at them. So they don't have near as many referring domains as you, but look at their DR. Okay, that means that the few number of referring domains that they do have working for them are very powerful. And so what we want to do is we can go into here and we can see what domains they're using, which ones are the most powerful because we can rank them right here. And we can grab all these. Okay, and we can go into other competition as well and grab all the ones they have. And we can, what you want to do is you want to double what they have, and you want the powerful ones so that Again, if you're beating them with content and keywords and you're beating them with referring domains, there's no way you can't be grabbing organic traffic from them. Okay. So last thing I want to talk to you about is when people go search for a roofing company in Virginia Beach, or roofing in Virginia Beach, a Virginia Beach roofer, okay, they're going to they're ready to buy. So they're going to click on and call the first company that shows up that looks reputable. Okay. So what that is these guys right here, these are ads. Okay. And you have to pay for those. And a lot of people won't even spend the time clicking on those because they've either had a bad experience or they don't trust them, or they may not even see them because they have an ad blocker. Okay. So the money position here is in this map pack right here. And how you get here is having lots of citations, more citations than the competition. And a citation is when your name, address, and phone number appear in different directories on the web. Okay. And I know you guys know about this because you're doing it. You're just not the top 3 here. And what's easy to do is we can go in and we can see what Virginia Beach Roofing Company, the roofing company, or the best roofing in Virginia, what directories they're in. And we can grab those and we can add them, and then we can go add some more, and we can double whatever they've got going on, so that we can grab this top spot and be that first reputable website that people come across for roofing in Virginia Beach. And so that's all I have for you today. In recap, you're going to want to get your 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page. You're going to want to have some more powerful referring domains linking back to you. And then you're going to want to have your name, address, and phone number in more directories than your competition. So if you want to do all this yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. Just send me back 1 or 2 lines of feedback to let me know if this was valuable information for you. And if you want help in doing it, give us a call. Our phone number is 757-354-2802. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.